every time before filming, it's this. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos pop up on my channel on Thursdays and Sundays. Anyway, today we're going to be opening up my GLOSSYBOX for, what is this, September 2022. Look how cute. September 2022. I don't think I saw any like hints and things about what's in here. So this is all a surprise for me. That's weird though. I mean, I did get my box pretty early. Normally I get it like middle or end of the month. One time I honestly thought I was going to get it like the following month, but I didn't. If you've never heard of GLOSSYBOX or you're new to my channel, I have a GLOSSYBOX playlist. But GLOSSYBOX is a monthly subscription for like beauty, makeup, skincare, hair care, like all that wonderful hoopla. And I believe you get deluxe and full-size items. And it's like $27 a month. More in the description down below. These boxes are honestly so hard to... Oh, actually, they are really hard to open. But I have my little handy dandy cloud knife that I found. Opened them. Look, and the box is usually this pretty pink color. I flip it upside down, do a little shimmy shake, because it's like perfectly fit in here too. I do a little shimmy shake. Done. HelloFresh card. Done. GLOSSYBOX. Look at how nice every time. It sort of reminds me of BoxyCharm because the pink and the black, but BoxyCharm is black and white with pink on the inside. This is pink, a little bit black. And my box is leaking. I was like, why are we squishy? I like it. I don't like that. That's bad vibes. Bad vibes. Let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh, I like it. Very nice, very pretty. Let me pop this out. Looks like a gift. I still love that. At first mine did not come like that, but now they are, so I kind of like them a little bit more. But this is the little, I mean, it's not little, but it's big. Well, it's little. This is the insert that comes with GLOSSYBOX, and it tells you, of course, like what the theme of the month is, some helpful hints and tips and tricks. And when we open it, it's kind of moist, which leaves me concerned. But it gives you little details about what you could possibly receive. See, that's like another little I don't like. Could possibly receive, and how much it costs, a little bit about it. Cool. And then, oh, on the box, we have a GLOSSYBOX advent calendar launching September 2022. Bigger and better than ever. Cool. And I think anybody can get these. I once upon a time thought you had to be a subscriber in order to get them. But it turns out you only get like $5 off if you're like a subscriber. So there's that. But cool things. 5 items. Let's take a look and see if I got some of them or what the whole story is with this. Let's open it up. I wonder how much of what you pay goes towards the packaging, because this is packaging. Probably out of everything I get, this is like top tier packaging, just saying. So I wonder if like $4 or $5 out of each box goes towards packaging, you know. Because we got the ribbon, we got the sticker, we got the tissue paper, we got this wonderful fluffer paper that has been absorbed by whatever that is completely soaked with the box. I'm gonna put that down because I don't know what that is. Okay, it's item number 5. It's a full-size item. We're gonna go backwards today because I want to get this out of the box. Like, I just can't leave it in there. So the 5th item in my box today, it is from KUESHI. KUESHI. It's a full-size item. KUESHI Naturals. KUESHI. 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 It's a vanilla shower gel. It retails for $6.50. That I can get behind. Hot steamy showers, leave you dry, irritated skin, keep the temperature lukewarm, pat dry with your towel, don't rub. Cool. So cool. Nice. Maybe I don't want to take this out of my box. Maybe I just don't. Yeah. Oh, yep. I mean, oh, the lid is like off. Oh. However, this does smell delicious. This is like so soft and pretty. Revitalizing shower gel with chamomile extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. I'm gonna use that. What? $6.50. That's pretty good. Usually you get like super high-end items in these kind of boxes, but that's really nice. I like that. Something affordable that I can actually think about repurchasing after I use it all. I mean, not to be mean, like, yes, I enjoy like the 32 bottle shower gels that I get that are like this big and they work really nice. But once I use them all, am I gonna rebuy the $32 bottle ones, or am I gonna go buy the whatever ones that I've been buying from Target for $5? Something to think about. I mean, if it's worth it, if you love it. Just depends, I guess. All right, we're counting backwards. So that was item number 5. Item number 4 is from NATURA. It's a deluxe mini MURUMURU restoring hair mask. Cute. The deluxe mini size is worth $5.10, but the full size is $34. And as a tip for using, I think it's this one. Yeah. Yes, everything is covered in shower gel. So this is it. It says, for a tip, use a wide tooth comb and gently distribute the mask through your hair for maximum effect. Cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm gonna use this. I've been trying to do more hair masks lately since like I've been trying to, well, since I have been lightening it more lately. Yeah. Anyway, item number 3, because we're counting backwards because the shower gel. It's VITA LIBERATA. VITA LIBERATA. It's a deluxe mini sample. It says lasts 4 to 7 days. It's a tinted tanning mist. Okay, I was like, what lasts 4 to 7 days? Like the bottle? No, it's a tinted tanning mist. So it's a deluxe sample size, or deluxe mini, and it's worth $6.50. Well, full size is $26. And it says, for a tip for use a makeup brush to spread the tan evenly across your hands and in between fingers for a streak-free finish. Okay, cool. I have not tried. I kind of want to try like the little spray-on, rub-on tinted tanning mist, what have you, just because I don't know, the sun's like bad for you. Like, I enjoy it, and we live in Arizona, so it's everywhere, but I know it's bad for you. That's 1, 2, 3. Item number 2. I was like 2. Item number 2. You know, counting backwards here. Item number 2 is from KAB or CAB Cosmetics. It's a full-size item. It's an illuminating dust in golden hour, and it retails for $26. I like the packaging though. That's cute. It says, for a tip, use a wet brush to increase intensity or mix with your body oil for an all-over glow. Those are good tips a lot of people forget to do. I would forget to do, but that's pretty good. Ooh. It's pretty. It's like a coppery color, like the box. That's pretty. Golden hour. I like the packaging too. Very nice. I could see myself mixing that with like some body oil and like go into town. And then go into town. I know, I'm hilarious. And then item number 1 in my box, my glossy box for September 2022. It is a full-size item. It's from Alpha H. It's a firming eye cream. Retails $82. Huh. Oops, that was my pencil. This is not it. It is. This. So, how, what? I don't think I got the full size. So let me show you. I don't think I got the full size. Because this doesn't look like the full size item. There's not like... I don't think this is the full-size item. The full-size item is $82. It says gently massage outwards to stimulate lymphatic drainage and under the brows to lift and tone heavy lids. How many? 15 milliliters. So a full size is 15 milliliters and this is covered in shower gel and is 7.5 milliliters. So I got like half of what I'm supposed to. This is a sample size. It, one, does not look like the full size picture. And that one says 15. This one says 7.5. So while I believe this could be a full size, it doesn't look like the picture. And I don't think you're full size. Let me look it up real quick while I have shower. I'm just gonna go wash my hands after this. Like, not even wash them, just put them under the like running water in the sink, and I'm gonna create a bubble mess with all the shower gel on my hands. I already know. I already know. What are you? Alpha A? Alpha H. Liquid gold. Firming eye cream. Alpha H. Firming eye cream. So Sephora, that's what that says, liquid gold. So are there multiple sizes? No, this one, Sephora also says it's 15 ounces, or 15 ounces. 15 milliliters, 0.51 fluid ounces. And this is 0.25. So I got half of what I should have. Why? So I did not get a full size item. Okay. Is there an option for a half size item? Because this is not full size. Deluxe mini is what we should have freaking said. Yeah, see, it looks more like this one in their little sample kit. This is their website, by the way. Let's see. So I see it on their website. It's part of like their little mini duo or trio or kits, but it's not sold individually. What the French fry glossy box. So, all right, little disclaimer, like how I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you do not get everything that's listed here, which is kind of annoying. Like, if you're gonna give me what I have here, then give me what's on here. Don't change it, don't deviate, don't say, you know, options may vary. If that's the case, don't send me a card. Do like Ipsy does, or what's the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, I think, or the X. They have an app. You go and you check everything there. Like, you don't rely on the card. So now I'm just like, what the hell? I'm a little spicy. it's things like this. Like, I like the things I got. They are nice. I do enjoy them. I am really glad that this whole little subscription thing is a gift itself, because I don't want to continue the subscription at this point. I don't, because I want consistency. I want to know that what I'm getting, or what it says, is what I'm getting. Does that make sense? Sort of. And I don't feel like that happens here. So yeah, I'm a little bit spicy. That's a little bit okay. I'm just a little spicy. I'm gonna try and hunt down the actual price for the Alpha H Firming Eye Cream. It ain't no $82 because it's not a full size. So maybe it's 40 some dollars because it's half the size of a full size. Maybe. I don't know. But GLOSSYBOX, can you explain, please? Is this just me that this happens to? It doesn't happen to other people? I should probably watch and check out and read more GLOSSYBOX reviews, because I like look at other people's like their blogs, and I can see like on their Instagram or what have you that, oh, they got these items in their box, but they don't really go into detail and complain like I do. So I wonder. Curious. Anyway, that was my GLOSSYBOX for September 2022. Yup. Y'all get the same stuff as me, like big littles and questionable explosions? Oh well. I'm gonna go wash my hands. Thanks for hanging out. I will catch you next time. Bye.